Yo people, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be legit awesome because we'll be doing a massive RTX 3070 GPU unboxing today guys. So people think of having like one RTX 3070 in their setup while I have like three different RTX 3070s right now with me guys. We've got like different series from different brands. One is from Asus, one is from Zotac Gaming and the other one is from MSI. We've got all the way from budget lineup to all the way up to like top of the line premium hardcore gaming series GPU guys. So you might have already seen the Asus Tough Gaming Edition RTX 3070 unboxing just before this video, right? So that we won't be covering again in this video. Today we'll be checking out Zotac Gaming's new Twin Edge RTX 3070 graphic card as well as MSI's brand new Gaming X Trio RTX 3070. So I'll be keeping all these graphic cards side by side. I'll show you how they look like, what they're meant for, like who are they targeted for, and we'll be having a complete unboxing and first look at these GPUs. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here's my complete arsenal of RTX 3070 GPUs. We've got one from Asus, one from MSI and one more from Zotac. We've already seen the Asus 3070 GPU unboxing in just my previous video, right? So I won't be covering that again over here and drag the video. We will directly be checking out the brand new 3070 cards from MSI and Zotac. From MSI we have their top end variant, the Gaming X Trio model, while the Zotac's one is a more budget-friendly, affordable dual-fan variant, the Twin Edge RTX 3070. Both of them are pretty good cards but targeted for different set of audience. So first let's start off with the big daddy of 3070s, the Gaming X Trio from MSI. First of all, I have to tell this is the biggest 3070 GPU box packaging I've seen till now. You've got the MSI logo here, the Gaming X Trio 3070 branding, and a picture of the card on the front. Going to the backside, we've got some details regarding the product, like the GPU design, the cooling section, and MSI's Dragon Center software. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. At the top side, there's an envelope with some paperwork inside, like there's a thank you note for buying it, user manual, and there's also a fun comic book as well in the package. Keeping all of that aside, let's check out the product. Let me just take it out. Oh damn guys, this is actually quite heavy. So before we jump in and directly check out the GPU, let's have a look at the accessories as well. MSI is giving you a free GPU stand as well in the package to prevent GPU sag over time. That is very handy. And that's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now coming to the GPU, here you go, the Gaming X Trio RTX 3070 from the brand. Holy smokes, are you guys looking at the GPU? Damn, that looks quite nice. And from my first impressions, it's a monster GPU guys, quite beefy and heavy for a 3070. It's a triple fan card with the new Tri-Frozer 2 design, and the fans on it also have a new design called the Tox 4.0 and has the MSI Dragon logo on all of them. If you ask about the build quality is decent. The shroud on the front is made of a polycarbonate material in a two-tone finish and has some claw scratches at the center that glow in RGB. And that's it on the front side. Going to the top side, the first thing you'll notice over here is how bulky the card is. Solid construction, has the MSI logo at the center that glows in RGB and also has an RGB light bar above that. Talking about the power connectors, this thing requires two 8-pin power connectors with a minimum of 750 watt power supply. Now going to the back side, the GPU has a graphene backplate that is almost 4 times stronger than the usual plastic material and offers 20x better thermal dissipation. There's an MSI logo over here and some vents on the right to let the heat escape. On the bottom side, you only have the PCIe Express 4.0 connector. Now let's have a closer look at the I/O bracket. It has 3 display ports and 1 HDMI 2.1 port as usual. So that's it, that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality of MSI's new Gaming X Trio 3070. This is an expensive lineup from the brand that offers like hardcore performance, but if you're on a budget and looking for something affordable, then this is what you might be interested in. Zotac's dual-fan Twin Edge model, bringing RTX 3070 GPU to all the budget segment audience. The card comes in this sort of box packaging, has the Zotac Twin Edge branding over here, and talking about the highlights, this thing has 8 gigs of GDDR6 super fast memory, a new redefined iStorm 2.0 cooling system, and a new freeze technology that automatically stops the fan when the GPU is idle or when it's under no load. So without wasting any more time, let's unbox and check out the product. Here you go. The GPU comes in this sort of box packaging, has a Zotac logo at the top, and on opening it, you've got some paperwork at the top. make sure to read that. Keeping them aside, guys, here it is, Zotac's new RTX 3070. Oh, this is actually small. We'll just come back to the product in a moment, and along with that you get some PSU extension cables. That's it, now let's finally check out the card. Oh my god, now this is what I call compact. Damn son, I think this is the cutest 3000 series card I've seen till now and has a very slim profile. The advantage over here is you can fit this card in any sort of cabinet, even small ITX ones also. But I'm quite curious to see what kind of performance this thing will offer. So on the front side, you've got two 11 blade fans with the Zotac branding. The build quality of the card is pretty good. It's a mix between metal and plastic, and going to the top, there's a white LED illuminated Zotac gaming logo and has a very slim 2-slot profile. Even the twin edge model requires two 8-pin power connectors as you can see over here and a minimum of 650 watt power supply requirement. And this is how the back of the GPU looks like. It's got a full metal backplate with the Zotac branding, says live to game and has lots of vents to the side to let the heat escape. And that's it, there is nothing else on the bottom except the PCIe Express 4.0 connector. If you ask about the I/O ports, as usual you've got 3 display ports and 1 HDMI 2.1. So that was our first look and overview on Zotac's twin edge RTX 3070. So basically guys, both the GPUs have similar specs like 5888 CUDA cores, 8GB GDDR6 memory, base clock frequency of 1500 MHz. The only difference comes in the boost clock frequency, thermal design and the size. Zotac Twin Edge offers up to 1725 MHz boost clock frequency and is targeted mainly for the budget category audience or for the people who are building a small PC like in an ITX cabinet. While the MSI's Gaming X Trio is a beast GPU with a boost clock frequencies up to 1770 MHz, targeted for hardcore audience and premium lineup of customers. Well guys, that was our quick unboxing and look at all the different RTX 3070 GPUs from these three brands. So I'll be testing them and will be sharing my benchmarks and gameplay reviews of all these three graphic cards very soon on the channel guys. And also if you want a comparison between these three graphic cards, do let me know and I'll definitely do that as well. If you all like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.